one important thing before you start today's project. This is a very thick, wide and thick paracord bracelet. You need to give extra 2 inches will be enough, about 5 centimeters more. So if you create your bracelet for the 8-inch and you do it on the 9-inch dimension, you need to do this on the 11-inch, so you will have the firm structure and the bracelet fits to your wrist. So that being said, have that in mind. I need to say that this is the very neat and very elegant paracord bracelet, but as I said, very thick and wide paracord bracelet. A lot of cartridge goes into it, so have that in mind. And of course, now enjoy making it and afterwards wearing it. Enjoy! Hello my dear friends, and welcome back to the Alpha 1982. I hope that you are safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. The credits for design of this bracelet goes to the East Coast Paracord, so go ahead and check him out. And for today's project we're gonna need the free strand of a gold cord, as you see here, 2 the same size and 1 shorter, and 2 strands of navy blue paracord. The bracelet core, as always, you have full tutorial in top right corner of this video. So that being said, not to waste time, let's start with today's project. As you can see, I insert the 2 gold cords and 1 navy blue into the cow's hitches here on top, and from this side here, let me just zoom it, we're gonna take this shorter gold cord, the third gold cord, and we're gonna insert it from the top into the buckle here, and we're gonna secure it with a simple knot. So from the top, and then from the bottom around and through the loop here, like so. Okay, as you can see, those 2 cow's hitches fits well with this single cow hitch, as you wish. And now we're gonna make it to the top and insert it from the top into the buckle. Sorry if I speak a little bit slower than usual, but this is a bit complicated bracelet and I don't want to skip any part of it, so make it tight, around, through, and now we can start with our weaves for today. The leading cords are the navy blue, and with the right strand we're gonna make it under those core strands and into the gap between the first and the second cord on the left side, so from the back side through and to the side, and with the left one also from the back in the gap between third and the fourth cord from the left, or the first and the second cord from the right side, and under and through. Now with the gold cord we're gonna take it and make it under, around, so under and through the gap between first and the second cord from the right side, and from the top side into the loop on the right, like so. And we're gonna do the same with the left one. Just make sure that it's the exact gold cord as you used for the right side, so when I pull it, you'll see how it moves. So this is the right cord, and then we're gonna take it and from the back side in the gap between first and the second, and from the top side to the loop on the left. So this is the basic Sanctified weaves. Now we're gonna continue. We're gonna take the gold one and we're gonna insert it from the top in the gap between first and the second cord from the right side, under the second cord and this gold cord here, and then from the back side through the loop, through the gap between this single gold cord and this third cord from the right side, like so. Now here with this one we're gonna make it also on top, and you need to pay attention here. This is important thing. We want to do this like so. So from the top, under and through. This right strand cord needs to be before or up front of this left cord. So make it like this, into the gap between first and the second, under the second and the gold, and through, like so. The important thing is, if we made it to be the behind this one, the pattern won't be the same and the structure of the bracelet will be completely off. So now we're gonna take the navy blue and we're gonna make it under all cords here, like so. And from the back side we're gonna make it under through the gap between gold cord and the navy blue, and from now into the gap between first and the second cord of the left side, of the right side, sorry. So here. Now from here we're gonna take the left side navy blue and we're gonna enter it from the back into the gap between gold and the navy blue, and into the gap between first and the second navy blue cord here, like so. Now we're gonna pull it all together to cinch it up, tie it well. So here we reach the end of today's project. I hope that you like it. Now we're just left to cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down, and our bracelet is done. So until the next time, I wish you just best, stay safe, be well, see you soon, bye!